In this video, we are going to see how we can check your recent activity on Facebook. So if you want to check the list of tasks that you have done most recently, here's how you can easily do it. So what you can do is just click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner, click on the settings and privacy and choose settings. And from here, you choose account center on the left hand side. Click on see more in account center. And from here, we choose your information and permissions, and you can see the search history and you can check the search history basically, and also you can access your information from here. So when you click on this, because I've already removed it, that's why it is not showing anything, but otherwise if you click on this, you will see all of your activity, whether it's your post, something you have liked, your saved items, and so on. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.